Understanding Move On, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, move on. This is a very common expression in English, and it's used in various contexts. Understanding it can really help you in both casual and formal conversations. So, let's dive in and learn all about move on. Move on is a phrasal verb in English, and it can be used in different ways. At its most basic level, move on means to leave a place or situation, or to make progress. For example, if you're talking about a meeting that's dragging on, you might say, "It's time to move on to the next topic." Or if you're on a road trip and you've stopped for a break, you might say, "Let's move on," when it's time to leave. Move on is often used when talking about relationships, especially when a relationship has ended. When someone says they need to move on, they're saying they need to leave the past behind and start fresh. This could be after a breakup, a fallout with a friend, or any other kind of relationship that has ended. It implies a conscious decision to stop focusing on what happened and to start looking forward. Sometimes, move on is used to talk about processing emotions or getting over a difficult experience. For example, if someone has lost a job or a loved one, a friend might tell them that it's important to grieve but also to find a way to move on. This doesn't mean forgetting about what happened, but rather, finding a way to live with it and continue growing. It's important to be careful with how you use move on, as it can be a sensitive phrase, especially in emotional contexts. Saying, "You need to move on," to someone who is grieving could come off as insensitive if not timed right. A good tip is to always be mindful of the situation and the person's feelings when using this phrase. That's it for today's lesson on move on. We hope that this video has helped clarify the different ways this phrase can be used and that you feel more confident using it in your own conversations. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding these nuances can make a big difference in how you communicate. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.